Hi, this is the PT-125SS Radiant Heater in our Lavorwash range of diesel space heaters. As a radiant heater, this heater relies on radiant heat and thus the very large front with a guard grill there, as you can see. This unit produces 125,000 BTU of heat, which equates to about 37 kilowatts. The unit will heat up to an area of about 310 square metres. It has a fuel tank capacity of 56 litres and a fuel consumption rate of about 3.3 litres per hour. The total unit comes on with wheels and a stand, and the whole unit empty without diesel weighs in at about 38 kilos, and naturally with a full tank of 56 litres that punches out to about 94 kilowatt in weight. Very easy to wheel around with the rear handle, whereas you merely pick up the rear end and wheel it on the front wheels. As a radiant heater, the benefit of the 125SS is that it's very quiet and you can use it and have telephone conversations standing right next to it, as against the fan-forced diesel heaters, which are very noisy. The unit comes with 2 fan speeds, both of which are very quiet, but the higher fan speed simply moves the air away from the front heating plate a lot quicker. The unit is almost instant heat, and to turn the unit on at the back, it's one switch which turns it on to either the low or the high fan speed. The unit very quickly heats up, and as you can, I'm sure, hear, the noise level is quite low, again compared to the fan-forced diesel heaters. A common use for these sort of heaters is a large factory area where heating up to about 310 square metres. It can be a heavily populated area with work desks, and you don't have the problem of the excessive or heavy noise of the fan-forced models. Other applications that we have heard of from clients, large veranda areas outside where they have cafe curtains around the perimeter, and with this inside, the whole area quickly becomes a very warm room almost. And we've sold also quite a few of them into food processing areas, not actually in the area of food preparation, but in relation to the immediate areas where, again, there is a lot of staff and you need to have the noise level relatively low. With a model like the 125SS, you really need to see it in operation to appreciate the amount of radiant heat they put out and how relatively quiet they are.